Nothing about this line of work is comfortable. Not the hours, not the conditions, not the weight of the work itself. Days run long, nights run longer. Your body gets tired, your focus can't. You learn to trust your hands, your judgment, and the people beside you. This week, you can't hide. This is week 5.
We're going to focus a lot on the details today. We're going to make sure that we're tightening, making sure that we're loosening, making sure that we move left and right and center, our feet position, our hand position, working position, okay? I don't want to see anyone holding on. If you're holding on to a brace, you guys at the ground need to be yelling at them. If they're tying a clove, you need to be watching them. I want technique perfect today, all right? We're not looking to go fast. We're looking to do it correct today. It's very important. Tomorrow we can work on doing a little faster, but today we have to just do it correct.
So have stuff ready wherever you need it to be, right? If I'm gonna put my hammer up, I wanna have that low ready so I can pull it right out and go to work, right? If you're taking time to look for stuff on both sides, you're just burning daylight.
Okay, this week we are doing the single arm competency, and part of that for our score is going to be based on efficiency. So everybody plays a key part in that, whether you're on the ground pulling the crossarm up or you're the one installing the crossarm. You need to have somebody communicating with him, because what they do on the ground is going to affect his time. So it's very important that everybody do their part so that we can help him get a good score.
Yep, grab a hold, collar rope.
All right, swing out, tighten your rubber brace.
There we go. Roll it right at the top.
150.
And just make sure your measurement's the same all the way across the arm and get it mounted up, ready to go. This week we've started working on building double arms, so the guys are learning how to put it all together on the ground. Then we're taking it up, going to start putting it together in the air. There's a lot more teamwork involved this week versus single arms. There's a lot more communication that has to be done. And we're going to practice on this all week. Do double arm competencies next week.